What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Kelly Builds. If you are new here, I am restoring a BMW. Building? I'm working on a BMW 2002, and if you watch my last video, I tried to get the car running, or like not running, but like moving with my new battery, and then come to find out the starter was broken. So someone actually left a comment on that last video saying to take the starter out and put some grease in it. So no idea what we're really doing here, but we're gonna get the starter, take it apart, kind of see what the heck's going on, and hope for the best, hook it up, and kind of see what the heck is going on. So I guess we'll just get right into it. All right. Here she is. Quite heavy, but you gotta clean in here.
Yes.
Alright, let's see. I had a little help because they were wicked tight. So we'll see. What the heck is going on in here? I really should be taking my rings off right now. Like, I know better. But yeah. Using my buns off over here. Okay, that was easy. I'm gonna just stick it in here. Pull the hair. Ow! How in the heck? It'd be really cool if this stuff just like worked after I've tried to put grease in it, but I low-key feel like every time I try to do something, it's like a little harder. It's like, oh, there we go. Like, oh, oppa! I did it. Okay. Cool. So we're taking off some more. No idea what we're doing. What in the heck? Did you put it on that thing again?
Maybe.
Maybe I'll just buy a new starter.
I don't know, this thing is crazy.
Should I reread the comment he wrote?
What did he say?
This person said, "Hi, put the battery cables on the start." Well, what are you doing? Why are you doing everything?
I don't know what's actually going to work.
What does that mean? Fuck.
I know you can test these. You usually just stick it to this guy. And it...
So maybe it doesn't work then.
Oh. Yeah, that'll probably help. Okay. Okay.
Ah!
Barely. It should be ripping.
Why don't you put like a...
The cog is not coming out. It's just spinning, but it's not.
Could I do that in a clip on Instagram?
Hold on. Because this thing's supposed to go
You're still on.
like this. Spin out like that.
Mm-hmm.
Because your flywheel's here, and when this spins, it shoots out, engages with the flywheel, and spins your motor. But it's not coming out, it's just spinning.
Well,
And it was spinning slow, now it's spinning faster. But I don't think it's still going to be enough to...
we're still gonna probably have to buy one, or I'm still gonna probably have to buy one, but like it's still fun, exciting. Thank you for the comment. We tried it. Guys, oh, you can't see my address, right? My floor pans are here. Ta-da! So I will unbox them. I'll open them up. These are from BluntTech. They just came today, so we'll open them up and see how they look. I'm not gonna do anything with them today, but still super exciting.
Well,
Play scissors.
no, this one's actually really sharp.
Okay.
This one's...
There's too many things, too many sharp things.
Super sharp.
with
This
my
one's gonna just
shepherd.
cut it without even using that hand. You just slice down whatever you want to slice down.
This is very scary. Very sharp shepherd, you see? Floor pans, buddy. You know, Mommy was taking all the stuff out of the car on the floor. I'm gonna take it out and then I'm gonna put those in. What do you think? Where should I store them?
In the car.
Do you message that guy?
Yeah, take the seats out so I can send a picture of the guy. Okay, these are the seats. Come get them.
Not for a long time.
Well, hopefully a little bit of time.
Yeah.
There it is.
Ta-da! Floor pan. What? Shepherd!
So then you sit right there and go broom broom. Not really.
Bring it out. That's a very dangerous part. So super exciting. What a difference that will make in the car. So I'm gonna put them in the card for like storage, but we'll just kind of see how they look. I'm sure it will make a huge difference. Can you open the door?
Open the door. Yep.
Gotta press the button.
There you go. Is that the right side?
Thank you, sweetie. Watch your head.
Watch the glass.
It's very hard. Which
I'll
one
put
should
the
I
back
do
in
it?
first.
The back, yeah.
Nice, the dirt. Jeez. Good thing it didn't have a paint job on it.
Watch out, Shepard.
Are we sure these fit?
Yeah, they fit.
Watch your hand. Shepard, watch your...
Now we can do that side too, Mom.
That's right, cutie.
But yeah, the center things have to get out of the way, and that rear brace for the seat has to come out. But yeah, done.
Do you want to do the other side so I don't fuck it up? We'll let Travis do that side. Do that.
Just for storage,
After you. Yeah, and when I'm inside doing something too, and then all of a sudden it just shuts.
Do both of them do that?
No, this one stays.
Chipper, hold on.
He's just helping. Floor pans. It's a brand new car. Done.
Done.
So that was super exciting. So I'm gonna start tacking them in now that I have them and just keep it going here. So like you had seen too, the starter is pretty busted. It's pretty useless. I think I'm actually going to just replace the whole motor. I was thinking about just replacing the starter, but I might replace the starter, sell the motor. So I'm thinking about swapping the motor. I was gonna do the flathead.
I can go.
Okay, but I don't think I'm gonna do the flathead anymore. I don't really know, so we'll just figure it out together. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.